Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the blower motor resistor on a Chevy Equinox. This will be the same from 2010 through 2017 models. That's our blower motor resistor right there. So we're going to set you down on the tripod and show you how to remove it. Alright, so to remove this blower motor resistor here, there's two wiring harnesses. There's a black one and a gray one. On the back, there's a little pinch piece. We're just going to pinch it and pull the harnesses down. I'll show you real close. Right there on the back, we just pinch that like that. Same with this gray one. Pull it down just like that, and we'll get our harness just out of the way. And then we're going to remove these two bolts with our 1/4-inch socket. I'm just using mine on a screwdriver with an elbow to make it easier to access. All right, and our blower motor resistor will just drop down just like that. All right, so now we take our new blower motor resistor, slide it in the same way you took the old one out, and put your screws back in. All right, so once you have those two screws all the way in, just all that's left is to reattach your two wiring harnesses the same way you took them off. And that's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.